Hello, people. Yes, today is Thursday. Thursdays are SDGs for me as a core member serving in Abuja. Alright, so this is the whole parade ground. On getting here, I saw these amazing people. Like, there's this beautiful display of culture, lots of cultures within Nigeria. Then I kept wondering, like, who are these people? What exactly are they trying to do? Then repeatedly on the banner, I kept seeing Lions Club International. I proceeded to come to check. So what really are these guys up to? And I saw that this organization is over 100 years old. That's over a century old. I was founded by Melvin Jones, an international businessman. I think it's from the US. Yeah, was from the US. Founded the organization to help humanity. So if you know about the SDGs and all the beautiful thing that the SDG is doing in this current period, these guys have been carrying out their mission before this time. So yes, this is me just videoing them happily, right? So they had this carnival thing. Then I remember that one of my friends attended one of their meetings where one of the ex-president of Nigeria had earlier spoken this week. So yes, I found out this is what they are all talking about. They had a carnival today. It was colorful. So this is them returning back to base, like where they started from the old parade ground. So pardon that they do not have all the excitement I can imagine. Yeah, so I'm proceeding out. I met interesting people. I met people who have been there over 40 years and they invited me to their club, like a club. They call it like Lion Air Club. These last days of people are, I think they're the last part of on this whole event. They are cleaning up. What really excited me was the gyrating. They're so excited.